Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato gravy paneer. First, let's prepare our tomatoes. Take about 4 to 5 ripe, medium-sized tomatoes and blanch them in boiling water for approximately 2 minutes. This helps loosen their skins. Once cooled, peel the tomatoes, chop them roughly, and then blend them into a smooth, vibrant puree. This forms the essential base for our delicious gravy, ensuring a rich and authentic flavor. Now, let's build the flavorful gravy base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it turns a lovely golden brown. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Finally, pour in your tomato puree and cook it down until the oil visibly separates from the mixture, indicating it's perfectly done. With our rich gravy ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Gently fold in 200 grams of fresh paneer, cut into 1-inch cubes. Next, season the gravy with 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, or to your taste. Pour in about 1/2 cup of water to achieve your desired consistency, then let it simmer for 5 minutes. This allows the paneer to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Your homemade tomato gravy paneer is now ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, sprinkle generously with freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. This delightful dish pairs wonderfully with warm naan bread, soft rotis, or fluffy steamed basmati rice. For an extra touch of richness, you can swirl in 1 tablespoon of fresh cream just before serving. It's a comforting and incredibly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.